When you think of an elegant outfit, what comes to mind? Maybe flowy skirts, cream trousers, chic coats, and tailored button-up shirts. But I bet you didn't think of jeans. Jeans are often seen as too casual to look elegant, but that couldn't be further from the truth. In today's video, we're revealing the most elegant ways to pair your jeans. And by the end of this video, you'll have endless ways to style them so you always look chic and put together. First, let's discover exactly which jeans will look best on you. The key is to wear styles that complement your shape and enhance your natural proportions. If your body shape looks something like this, you likely have an hourglass figure, meaning your waist is defined and your hips and bust are balanced. The best jeans for you are high-waisted, straight leg, or slim fit styles that highlight your curves while maintaining structure. Avoid low-rise jeans as they can throw off your proportions. If your body shape looks something like this, you likely have an apple-shaped figure. This means you carry more weight around your midsection with slimmer legs and a softer waistline. Your best jeans are mid or high-rise styles with a bit of stretch for comfort and structure. Straight leg and boot-cut jeans help create balance and elongate your frame, while super tight skinny jeans can sometimes draw more attention to the midsection rather than creating a smooth, elegant silhouette. If your shape looks like this, you likely have a pear-shaped body. This means your hips are the widest part of your body, while your waist is more defined and your upper body is narrower compared to your lower half. Your best jeans are high-waisted, straight leg, wide leg styles that help balance your proportions and elongate your legs. Dark washes are especially flattering, and avoiding overly tight jeans around the hips and thighs helps create a more seamless, elegant look. Now, if your shape looks like this, you likely have a rectangle body shape. This means your bust, waist, and hips are more aligned, creating a naturally straighter silhouette with less definition at the waist. Your best jeans are high-waisted styles that help create shape, such as ankle cut, straight leg, or flared jeans. Details like belts, pleats, or structured waistbands can enhance the waistline and add dimension. Avoid overly baggy or super skinny styles, as they can make the body appear more straight rather than balanced. And lastly, if your shape looks like this, you have an inverted triangle body shape. This means your shoulders are broader than your hips and your lower body appears more narrow in comparison. Your best jeans are wide leg, straight leg, or flared styles. These add volume to your lower half and help balance your frame beautifully. Ankle cut jeans also work well to draw the eye downward. It's best to avoid overly tight or distressed styles that can exaggerate the upper body. Now that you know which jeans suit your body best, let's talk about how to style them in a way that looks effortlessly elegant. Let's start with outerwear. Jeans pair beautifully with blazers. A black blazer styled with a slightly fitted pair of jeans and a simple black or white t-shirt underneath creates a chic, business, casual look that feels polished yet effortless. For a more casual yet still elevated outfit, try pairing a lighter washed jean with a lighter toned blazer or a buttoned jacket. Both blazers and buttoned jackets complement jeans effortlessly, creating a soft, casual elegance that feels simple but refined. Both long coats and cropped coats also work beautifully with jeans, no matter the shade. They're incredibly versatile and can instantly elevate even the simplest denim look. Whether you're going for something cozy and layered or sleek and structured, the right coat effortlessly pulls the whole outfit together. Next, let's move into tops. Nothing says elegance like a classic buttoned shirt or blouse, which pairs beautifully with jeans, especially during the warmer weather. You can gently tuck it into your jeans and add a belt for a clean, structured look, or leave it untucked for a relaxed, breezy feel. So stunning. A blank t-shirt is such an essential, and truly one of the perfect pairings for jeans. The most simple pieces, also known as elevated basics, are often the most powerful. Elevated basics are high-quality, timeless wardrobe staples like a well-fitted t-shirt, a crisp blouse, or a structured knit. They're minimal, but they make a statement through fit, fabric, and how they're styled. Be sure to check the description or pinned comment for both affordable and premium elegant clothing websites, so no matter your budget, there's something for everyone. For cooler days, a cozy lightweight sweater paired with jeans is a go-to combination. Whether it's a classic crew neck, a collared knit, or even a soft mohair sweater, each one brings its own touch of elegance. It's such a simple combo, but when styled with a structured bag and finished with minimal jewelry or a chic pair of sunglasses, feels effortlessly polished. And lastly, tank tops and sleeveless tops, like fitted vests, are a beautiful pairing with jeans. Vests create a clean, flattering silhouette and are perfect for warmer days when you want something sleeveless but still elevated. They work effortlessly with both dark and light washed denim. As for tank tops, a classic, well-fitted tank is a wardrobe essential. But for a more elevated look, opt for contrast trim tanks. They give that timeless old money feel while still being just as affordable as a basic one. High neck or elegantly shaped neckline tanks and sleeveless tops instantly refine your outfit and elevate even the simplest pair of jeans. And of course, off-shoulder tops add a beautiful feminine touch and can transform a regular jean outfit into something truly beautiful. Now for the fun part, footwear. Starting with kitten heels, comfortable, chic, and often the finishing touch that makes an outfit truly elegant. Strappy styles work beautifully, and white pointed toe heels paired with a classic blue denim. Absolutely stunning. Loafers are another great option and a more elevated alternative to sneakers, which we'll get to. They look especially stylish with ankle-cut jeans. You really can't go wrong with a loafers and denim combo. It's timeless and polished. Black boots are also a go-to. Sleek and slightly mysterious, they look amazing, tucked under a slim pair of jeans, and give the outfit a more structured, clean finish. A classic pair of sandals is perfect for warmer days. Stick with sleek, minimal styles and avoid anything bulky, which can throw off the elegance. And of course, flats, they pair perfectly with jeans, whether you're going casual or dressing things up. Styles with a slight heel add that extra touch of refinement. Lastly, let's talk sneakers. We get it, sometimes practicality wins. And yes, sneakers can still look elegant with the right styling. We recommend simple, flatter sneakers with a clean design. Flatter sneakers work best with wide leg jeans or slim ankle-cut styles. There are so many more elegant ways to style jeans. Let us know if you'd like a part 2. Thank you so much for spending your time with us. We truly hope this video was helpful. Be sure to check the description for elegant clothing links and more. We'd love to hear your ideas for future videos, and a simple like or comment would mean the world to us. Until next time. Bye everyone.